may have received news about some of the email compliance changes that inbox providers like Google and Yahoo are making, or have received instructions about verifying your domain with DKIM, SPF, and DMARC. If you're scratching your head wondering what's happening and what these acronyms mean, you are definitely not alone. But don't worry, I'm here to make sure you understand what's happening and the steps you can take to protect your business and your sender reputation. Here's how to manually verify your domain in Shopify. First, log into your Flodesk account and go to My Account, Domain Setup. If you haven't started the authentication process before, you can click on the Verify Now button and then select the option to add your records manually. Next, open a separate browser tab and sign into your domain provider's account. If you're watching this video, your domain provider should be Shopify. For the sake of this example, I'm already logged into my Shopify account. Within Shopify, I can navigate to my domain by selecting Settings from the bottom left-hand side of the screen and clicking Domains. Here, I can see that I own the domain lamarquestudio.com. I can access my domain's DNS settings, which is where I'll need to copy and paste records from my Flodesk account, by clicking on the domain and then selecting Domain Settings in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then click Edit DNS Settings. Here, you'll be able to add new DNS records to your Shopify domain. Now, let's pause for a moment and navigate back to the tab that has your Flodesk domain verification open. Use the built-in copy buttons to copy your relevant missing records and then paste them into your Shopify account. You'll need to add the DKIM and SPF records as CNAME records and the DMARC record as a TXT record. Let's copy and paste this first DKIM record from Flodesk into your Shopify DNS records. First, copy the CNAME host from Flodesk, then click Add Custom Record in Shopify and select CNAME record from the drop-down menu. Paste the CNAME host record into the name field. Next, copy and paste the corresponding CNAME value from Flodesk into the points to field within Shopify. Click Confirm. You'll repeat this process for all of the DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records listed in your Flodesk account until everything has been copy and pasted into Shopify. Make sure you've selected TXT as the record type for your DMARC policy. After manually entering your authentication records, navigate to the Open tab with your Flodesk domain authentication, click Next, and select Done. The domain verification card will initially show as pending for up to 48 hours, as this is the time it can take for your domain to be verified. I recommend waiting 24 to 48 hours before coming back to check if your domain has been successfully authenticated. If you still have questions, feel free to check out the Flodesk Help Center at help.flodesk.com or reach out to our member experience team at support@flodesk.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to continue learning best practices to grow, nurture, and monetize your email list.